We all want to live a healthy life, which means we need to maintain an appropriate exercise and nutritional routine. This is another video to help you understand the best tips, facts, and hacks to do just that. Let's be honest, everyone is after the fastest, most effective workout they can do to achieve the results needed to meet their fitness goals. However, it's difficult to find the time as we're all busy with our daily lives. The good news is there are options even for the busiest people in the world looking for a workout that is a full-fledged body weight attack in a short amount of time. Well, look no further. We've prepared a 7-minute workout to do just that. The workout will consist of exercises you've done previously or seen others perform. The only difference, we're combining all of them in a short period to improve the workout's overall effectiveness on your fitness goals. These workouts are divided into 30-second intervals with a 10-second break in between sets. While this will undoubtedly get your blood pumping and your heart rate up, if you feel this may not be enough to give you a comprehensive workout, we suggest that this scientific 7-minute workout be added as an additional workout to your present routine, or done many times in succession, like a fitness circuit. In today's video, we'll be discussing this 7-minute workout that replaces high-intensity training. Jumping jacks for a 30-second duration. Jumping jacks are a basic action that is frequently employed with natural resistance forces with your body weight workouts equally. They're excellent for getting the blood flowing quickly. Jumping jacks are performed in the following manner. Take a straight, erect position with your legs together and arms at your sides. Jump into the air while bending your knees slightly. As you leap, extend your legs out to roughly shoulder-width distance between them. Extend your arms out in front of you and above your head. Return to the original starting position. Repeat twice. Wall sit for a duration of 30 seconds. The wall sit is a terrific bodyweight exercise for strengthening your core muscles. It'll assist you to add strength and stamina to some of the largest and most essential muscular groups in your body, such as your abdominals, quads, glutes, and back. A proper wall sit should be performed as follows. Make sure that your back is flat on the wall before continuing. Sit with your feet shoulder-width apart and your knees 90 degrees out from the wall for this position. Your knees should be precisely above your ankles, but they shouldn't be any farther forward than that. Keep your position while contracting your abdominal muscles. Repeat twice. Push-ups for a 30 seconds duration. The workout includes the simple push-up, which we've all attempted at one point or another. But the push-up is an important part of the workout for several reasons. Multiple muscle groups in your body are activated by the compound action, resulting in increased muscle usage and a more effective total body weight workout. The following is the proper way to do a push-up. Position yourself on the floor with your arms slightly wider than shoulder width at the start of the exercise. Place your arms exactly beneath your shoulders with your elbows relaxed. Maintain a neutral position while pushing through the palms of the hands. Engage the chest muscles and extend the arms straight ahead of you. When your chest is almost touching the floor, slowly lower your body by bending through your elbows while maintaining a neutral posture. Take a deep breath as you come down. Abdominal crunch for a duration of 30 seconds. Performing an efficient abdominal crunch is crucial to have the right form to complete the workout effectively. This core-focused bodyweight workout is extremely good for building strength in the center region of your body. Another plus, it can be done anywhere. Greater strength in the core muscles leads to improved stability as well as improved general health. An abdominal crunch should be performed in the manner described below. Lie down on the floor in front of a bench with your back to the bench. Make sure that your knees and hips are bent to 90 degrees as you place your heels on the bench. Make a cross with your arms over your chest. Raise your shoulders and scapulas off the floor by flexing your waist. Crunch as high as you can toward the ceiling while maintaining your lower back firmly planted on the floor. Begin by slowly lowering your shoulders to the floor and immediately beginning the following exercise. Repeat 2 times. Step up for a duration of 30 seconds. Exercises like the step-up are popular in aerobics exercises all around the world because they are basic compound movements that engage your core while also exercising your lower body muscles. The workout recommends that you use an elevating chair that rests at or near the level of your knees. Here's how you go about it. Stand with your body positioned directly in front of the bench, short stool, or chair in front of you. Step onto the platform with one foot by placing the bench or stool in front of you. Drive through with your other foot while elevating your knee as high as you can. Lower your knee and step back to the floor. Repeat the procedure with the other foot. Squats for a duration of 30 seconds. As one of the most crucial exercises in any fitness program, it's no surprise that squats figure into this workout. As tempting as it may be to use heavy machines and a lot of weight, getting back to fundamentals is an excellent approach to improve your posture and technique. Use a basic, light weight when doing air squats or bodyweight squats. Take a deep breath and hold it while your arms are straight out in front of you, parallel to the ground. Maintain a firm core throughout the entire exercise. Push your butt back and take a few deep breaths. As you begin to bend your knees, keep moving your hips rearward. Keep your head slightly tilted up and your eyes looking upward. Focus on maintaining your knees aligned with your feet while you squat, and then come back up slowly. Repeat for 2 times. Tricep dips with a chair for a duration of 30 seconds. As a bodyweight exercise that targets several muscular groups, dips are an excellent way to increase muscle mass and strengthen your triceps, chest, and core. There can be no half dips. The more you dip, the more you work your chest and triceps. The action must be performed completely and slowly. To perform the dips at home, set up 2 chairs so that the distance between them is slightly broader than the length of your legs. Place both hands on the upper back region of the chair's back. Arms slowly bent, lower your torso till it's parallel to the ground. Don't let your feet contact the ground. Instead, slowly and steadily raise your body back to the starting position. Maintain a straight spine. Planks for a duration of 30 seconds. Despite being one of the simplest and most basic bodyweight exercises, planks are incredibly efficient in building core strength and endurance. Planks, as opposed to sit-ups, let you control how tight you want your torso and core muscles to get. While performing the plank, be careful to flex your abs. To do an efficient plank, begin by performing a push-up with your forearms instead of your hands on the ground. Shoulders should be precisely beneath elbows when doing this. Put your bare feet up and forearms on the ground and balance your body off the ground. Squeeze your glutes and tighten your abdominals. Maintain a neutral posture with your neck and spine. Go from head to toe in a powerful, straight line. Hold your body in this position for 30 seconds. Repeat 2 times. High knees running in place for a duration of 30 seconds. This exercise will raise your blood pressure and heart rate. By including high knees while running in place into your bodyweight workout, you'll burn more calories while also getting in some much-needed cardio. To bring high knees to a successful conclusion, run as fast as you can without thinking. Hands in front of the body, elbows at 90-degree angle. Raise your knees as high as possible in front of you as you continue to run in place. Repeat 2 times. Lunges for a duration of 30 seconds. Lunges are an excellent exercise for improving your balance, stamina, and core strength while also working your midsection and lower body. Even though this exercise will test your balance and core strength, you must maintain a tight core the entire time. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart to do a proper lunge. Focus on slow movements up and down. Step forward with your right leg as far as you can. Make sure your heel is the first thing to contact the floor after shifting your weight forward. Lower your body until your right thigh and right shin are upright and parallel to the floor. Return to the beginning posture by pressing your right heel into the ground. Repeat the procedure on the opposite side. Side planks for a duration of 30 seconds. The side plank, another core exercise that involves stamina and balance, is an excellent technique to strengthen your obliques. This will help you strengthen your entire core, burn fat, and have increased lean gains as you perform this exercise. Begin on your side with your feet together and one forearm right behind your shoulder to perform the side plank. Tighten your abs and lift your hips until your body is in a straight line from head to toe and balanced off the ground. Hold the posture without allowing your hips to dip or touch the floor for the entire time of your set. Then switch sides and repeat. Target 3 sets for each side. That's all for today's video. Let us know if you've added any or all of these exercise hacks into your daily workout routine and what help they provided you to meet your fitness goals in the comments section below. Be sure to like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notifications bell to be the first to know when we upload other healthy exercises like these. See you in the next video.